I'm back, everyone. You may be getting these errors on Snapchat where for some reason you just keep seeing fail to send. Now, this can happen for a couple of different reasons, but the main reason why this happens is typically if you're not having a good network connection on Snapchat. Now, it can be something else too, but if you took a Snapchat and you tried sending it to somebody and it still just keeps telling you that it failed to send, maybe to multiple people, well, in that case, what I would recommend doing is to actually make your way over to your settings, whether it's iPhone or Android, it doesn't matter, and you just want to check your Wi Fi connection and make sure you're connected to something. You can also check your signal up top. If it says no service or something like that, then you may have a different problem. That probably means you have no network connection. However, if you're connected to Wi Fi and everything, all you want to do then is you want to make your way over to any type of internet browser or other application, and you just want to start loading up some websites. If a lot of things are telling you like, hey, it's not loading or the application isn't loading or whatever, well, you may have a network connection problem. So you may want to go ahead and check your router. You may want to connect to another signal, and typically that should fix it for sure. Whenever I have an experience like that, that's pretty much what I have to do, and that pretty much fixes it, over time. Now, let's say that doesn't seem to be the problem. You're having internet connection and everything, but it's still getting failed to send. Well, the next thing I'd recommend doing is to actually open up your app store just like this, whether the Google Play Store too, and you want to find the Snapchat application. So you can search for Snapchat and you want to see if there is an update available for this application. Now you can see right here, there is an update available. All you want to do here is you want to click update. You want to give it a couple of seconds, and then you want to go ahead and once it's done updating, you want to go back into the Snapchat app and you want to see if it actually fixed. So you want to go ahead and take the photo again, click send to the person that you want to send it to, and you want to see if it actually ended up working. I want to say a majority of the time it'll probably end up working, and that's really all you have to do. Now, if for some reason you're still having issues, you can try uninstalling Snapchat, you can try restarting your phone, but what you may want to do is check to see if Snapchat is down. So what you can do is you can make your way over to websites like downdetector.com, or you can make your way over to the comment section of this video, sort by the latest comments, and you want to see if a lot of people are commenting at the same time saying that Snapchat is down. And I would recommend leaving a comment too. And if a lot of people are saying that Snapchat is down, well then Snapchat may be down and there really isn't anything you can do. You pretty much just have to wait until Snapchat fixes the problem, and then you can go on from there. But typically, those are the main ways to fix it. If you guys have any other questions or anything, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.